Hey guys, Justin with Ready Business Systems. If inside your Google Analytics you're seeing a lot of this referral traffic and you want to know what it is and how to fix it, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Google Analytics it's like the most reliable source to really know where your leads are coming from. Despite all your other reporting, Google Analytics does not lie. So this right here is showing our attribution path. This is attribution path. This is showing us where people are finding us and where the leads are coming from. So attribution marketing is the number of touches that your clients have to get in touch with you. For example, they might report in your CRM that the leads are coming from Facebook or Google or whatever, but they probably saw you other places, right? So this tracks all the digital paths of where these people saw you before they actually became a lead and submitted your estimate request form. So you can see here, there's just listed as referral, which doesn't really mean much to me. That probably doesn't mean much to you in terms of where these leads came from. This is saying that, that the 133 of our leads came from a referral. This could be any other website, basically. So you want to get to the bottom of where these are actually coming from. This is saying here that people found us an organic search online, so we didn't pay for this. And then later on, they came from a referral, so from another website. People who just came from referral websites, there's a lot of this vagueness in here that I'm trying to get rid of. And then 52% of people found us on paid search and then referral. Organic search referrals. So a lot of referrals here I'm trying to get rid of. Direct search is people went directly to your website. Could be from a truck, could be from just an email, anything you don't have labeled here, so Google can identify where this traffic's coming from. And people who found us organically online and then found us organically on social, and so on. So I'll link below, and also at the end of this video, how to track these UTM codes, so you can actually give Google Analytics how to track your traffic to show what you want to label it as. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you how to get to the bottom of this referral traffic. So if you go to your reporting in Google Analytics, go to traffic acquisition, you set the source of medium, and then you search for referrals. It's going to show us exactly where referrals are coming from. So a lot of our referral traffic is coming from Facebook, Calendly, which is like online booking software, more Facebook, and then we have Service Autopilot here. So Service Autopilot is our CRM, and we use this for getting our leads. So the traffic, basically when people search, it's passing through Service Autopilot before it goes to our website. So it's giving credit to this lead to Service Autopilot, and we don't really want to see this here because the credit is really coming from the original source, not from Service Autopilot. So we're going to eliminate this one. I'll do that in a second. Then we have Facebook. We can fix this with the UTM codes. That's just like additional information you put at the end of your URL to show Google where to categorize that traffic from. So what we did is we changed our website information on Facebook and our ads. So it's showing the URL, the UTM code in terms of where it's coming from. So you can see in these ads here, if we scroll down here, there's a section at the very bottom of the ad where it has a place for this UTM code. You can throw this in Google or ChatGPT and it'll spit out the code for you. It's going to tell you, so that way it can tell Google Analytics that this traffic came from Facebook and which campaign it came from. That information won't be so vague. We also updated this code on like our Facebook business profiles, so we know it's organically coming from there. You can do it in Google My Business, anywhere you want to know where this traffic is coming from and have a little bit less vagueness to it. So, and then Calendly, these are it's crediting Calendly for these leads, but a lot of times this is coming from like a marketing email. Again, it's passing through Calendly, so it's crediting Calendly for these leads when really probably a marketing email, which you can also add the UTM code to. They click the Calendly link and then they booked an appointment. It didn't really come directly from Calendly, so this is just kind of not really relevant information here. So what we're going to do to eliminate these URLs is we're going to go to admin here on your analytics home screen. You're going to go to data streams. You're going to click your website. Then you're going to go to configure tag settings. You click show more. List unwanted referrals. Click here. And this is where we added Service Autopilot and Calendly, so that way this isn't showing our reporting. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. Just trying to get analytics as accurate as possible in terms of where your leads are coming from so you can make better decisions on marketing spend. Thanks for watching, and comment below if you have any questions on this.